Good morning everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So this morning I've got some celery, apple, orange, lemon, ginger, and some romaine lettuce, and I'm gonna make a powerful juice this morning because I'm feeling a bit low and I think I need a pick me up. So this is gonna help me, get rid of all the nasty things in my body and give me added nutrients and antioxidants. So stay tuned. I'm gonna dice everything up, peel everything, and get ready for my juice. I want to dice up the bigger ingredients, so here we go. Let this down now and saute. Okay. So I use like half of romaine lettuce because it's really packed with antioxidants. It's got a lot of nutritious value in, so I'm just making sure that I get everything in my juice drink. Let me see how much we've got today, and yep, we've got 12 ounces today, so that's nice. I normally make a juice drink 12 ounces, just enough for my big